Sometimes, you might have locked the Messenger application. If you want to unlock it afterward, you can do that too. In this video, we'll explain how to unlock the Messenger application. First, open the Messenger application. Then, it'll ask you to confirm your identity using the fingerprint sensor or a PIN code. For example, I'm using my fingerprint sensor to confirm my identity. After that, tap the menu option. When you tap it, you'll see the Settings option. Click on Settings. Then, scroll down until you see Privacy and Safety. Tap on Privacy and Safety. When you tap that, you'll see the App Lock option. Click on it. You'll notice an option to unlock with biometrics, which might be turned on. That's why the App Lock is active. If you don't want the App Lock, just turn it off. Once you do, the application won't be locked anymore. After that, go back and exit the Messenger application. When you reopen it, you won't see the lock anymore. That's how you can easily unlock the Messenger application. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing and checking out our next video.